have you ever, walked into a hotel and just forgot how to speak?
Yeah, literally every time. It is so scary.
Right? Welcome back to English Pod Center, guys. I am Luna.
And I am Lucas.
Today, we are talking about hotels.
Hotels. Nice. I love a good bed.
But wait, talking at a hotel in English, it is hard.
Oh, very hard. Like, what do I say? Hello? Give me bed?
No, Lucas, please do not say that.
Why? I want a bed.
Okay, true, but they will think you are crazy.
So, what is the right way?
Well, the first thing is the big desk at the front.
The desk, right, where the person stands.
Yes, that is called the front desk, or reception.
Front desk, reception. Okay, simple.
And what is the first thing you do there?
Ask for the bathroom?
No. Well, maybe, but no.
Okay, then what?
You check in.
Check in? Like looking at my bags?
No. Check in means you tell them, I am here. Give me my room.
Oh, check in. I see that word everywhere.
Exactly. You say, I would like to check in, please.
I would like to check in, please. That sounds very polite.
It is. But wait, they will ask you a question.
Oh no, questions are bad.
They will ask, do you have a reservation?
What?
Reservation. It means you called before and said, please keep a room for me.
Ah, like booking.
Yes, booking and reservation are like the same thing.
Okay, so I say I have a booking.
Perfect. Or I have a reservation.
Reservation is a big word, Luna.
I know. Just think of it like saving a seat at the movies.
Oh, okay, that helps. Saving my bed.
Right. So you say your name. I have a reservation under Lucas.
Under Lucas. Wait, under me? Like I'm under the bed?
No, not literally under. It just means the paper has your name on it.
English is so weird. Why under?
I have no idea. We just say it.
Fine. So I check in and I have a reservation under Lucas.
Great. Now they need two things from you.
Money, always money.
Well, yes, a credit card, but also something with your face on it.
A picture of my dog?
Lucas, no. Your ID, your passport.
Oh, ID, like my passport. I knew that.
Sure you did. So they ask, can I see your ID and credit card?
Okay, I give them my passport and card. Then I get the key, right?
Almost. They give you a key, but it is not a metal key anymore.
It is not?
No. What does it look like now?
A piece of plastic, like a credit card?
Exactly. We call it a key card.
Key card. That makes sense. A card that is a key.
You use it to open your room door.
Wait, how? Do I put it in the door hole?
No, Lucas, not a door hole.
Then where? I mean, what do I do with it?
You just tap it, like you touch the card to the door.
Oh, tap it. Just boop.
Yeah, exactly. Boop. You hear a little sound and the door opens.
Okay, I like that. Boop. Very easy.
Right. But wait, before you go to your room, you need something else.
What? My bags? I have my bags.
Well, yes, your bags, but also, how do you get internet?
Oh, the Wi-Fi.
Yes, you have to ask for the Wi-Fi password.
Right. Wait, Luna, how do I ask that?
It is super simple. Just say, what is the Wi-Fi password?
What is the Wi-Fi password? That is it?
That is it. Or just, is there free Wi-Fi?
Wait, free? Sometimes you have to pay?
Yeah, sometimes it is not free. Crazy, right?
That is, wow, I hate that.
Me too. Okay, so you have your key card and your Wi-Fi password.
Let's,
How do you go up?
stairs. I walk up.
With all your heavy bags? No way.
Oh, right, what is the word? The box that goes up?
The box that goes up. It is called an elevator.
Elevator, yes. Or a lift?
Yes, a lift in the UK, but in America, elevator.
Okay, I take the elevator.
And here is a secret, Lucas.
Ooh, a secret. Tell me.
In many hotels, the elevator needs your key card too.
What? Why?
For safety, so bad guys cannot go up.
Oh, so I boop the elevator too?
Exactly. You tap the card, then push the button for your floor.
Wow, so much booping.
Yes, lots of booping. Okay, now you are in your room.
Finally, I am jumping on the bed.
Wait, what if the room is too hot?
I open a window?
No, hotel windows usually do not open. They don't. Nope, you use the AC, the air conditioning.
Ah, the AC. Okay. Turn on the AC.
Good. Now, let's say you want to take a shower.
Okay. Wait, is this a test?
Yes, you want a shower, but there is a problem.
Oh no, what problem?
There are no towels.
No towels. How do I dry off?
Exactly. What do you do?
I call the front desk.
Yes, you call the front desk. What do you say?
I say, help, I am wet.
No, do not say that.
Then what? Give me towels?
Too rude. Say, could I get some extra towels, please?
Could I get some extra towels, please?
Perfect. They will say, right away, sir.
Right away. I like that. It sounds so fancy.
It is, very fancy. So, Lucas, you have your towels.
Yep, I am like dry now.
Good. Now, it is time to go. Your trip is over.
Oh, sad. I do not want to go home.
I know, but you have to leave the hotel.
Wait, do I just walk out? Like, bye?
No, you cannot just run away.
Why not? They have my money, right?
Well, yes, but you must do the opposite of check-in.
Check in, so, check out?
Yes, check out. You go to the front desk. And I say, I am checking out. Exactly. You say, I would like to check out, please.
I would like to check out, please.
Then they give you a paper. It shows your money.
Oh, the paper. Like a menu?
No, not a menu. It is called a bill.
A bill? Like my friend Bill?
No, not a person. A bill is the paper with the cost.
Oh, okay. The bill. Right.
They will say, here is your bill, sir.
Okay, and I look at it.
Right? You look. Is it okay? Did you eat like 10 apples from the room?
Wait, apples? No, maybe chocolate.
If you eat the room chocolate, you pay on the bill.
Oh, wow, I hate the bill.
Everyone hates the bill, Lucas.
So I pay. Then what?
They say, thank you. Have a good trip.
Have a good trip. That is nice.
Okay, let us practice.
Oh boy, practice time. I am ready.
You are at the hotel. You want to sleep.
Right. I walk in. I have my backs.
You walk to the desk. What is the first thing you say?
I would like to check in, please.
Perfect. Then they say, name?
Lucas. My name is Lucas.
Good. Now, you are in the room. You are cold.
Oh, could I get an extra blanket, please?
Wow, yes, extra blanket. You remembered.
I am very smart, Luna.
Sometimes. Now, you leave the hotel.
I go to the desk. I say, I would like to check out.
Amazing. And they give you?
My friend Bill. I mean, the bill.
Yes, the bill. You did it.
That was easy. English is like very easy.
See? You just need practice.
So true. Practice makes perfect.
Now, a question for our listeners.
Ooh, yes. Tell us, listeners.
What is your favorite thing in a hotel room?
Ooh, the big TV. Or, the soft bed.
Tell us in the comments. We really want to know.
Yeah, tell us.
And if you liked this, please subscribe.
Yes, follow English Pod Center for more.
Thank you for listening to English Pod Center.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.